Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're showing an easy and affordable DIY. We took our artificial pre-lit Christmas tree that we've had a few years now and flocked it into a beautiful snow-like and wintry looking tree. I hope this brings you some inspiration to transform your very own tree this year. To see more upcoming Christmas videos, hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. It's free and easy to do. If you liked this video and found it helpful, then hit the like button to let me know. I appreciate your support and thank you so much for stopping by.
Such pleasure do you bring me, oh Christmas tree.
Alright y'all, all you need for this project is the SnoFlock, a sifter, maybe an older one that you won't need again, and a water bottle, and of course your Christmas tree. So our Christmas tree comes in 3 different parts, and we are going to be starting with the bottom first. I previously fluffed this entire tree up so I wouldn't have to worry about it afterwards, and this way the flocking will just land on the tree the right way. And I'm just closing the plug up here so that none of the flock or the water gets inside of the tree. So before you start, you have to wet your entire tree to make sure that the flocking powder will stay on every branch.
Oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
I would suggest putting some sort of tarp down. This stuff gets kind of sticky as you're going along and as it dries. So I would definitely put something like that down and wear shoes that you don't care to get ruined because they're gonna get sticky.
I expressed cheer so well. Oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
So I started off with a small amount inside of the sifter and started sprinkling evenly over every single branch to try to distribute it. And I started off with a little bit of a lighter layer just to make sure that I was getting everything and just to see how the product actually worked. I'd never used this before, but I tell you, it was just so easy, and I definitely think that y'all can do this as well. So after you have sprinkled your tree, you do want to go over with the spray bottle again to set it. And I was just really getting that thing wet just to make sure everything was going to stick, because I just had a fear in the back of my head that it wasn't going to stick and it was going to fall off. But it didn't. So just make sure that after you're finished sprinkling, you spray that water bottle again.
Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me.
So Luke is just bringing out the second part of the tree and sticking it on top so we can start spraying that with the water so I can start flocking it.
I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
I'm just making sure that I get a light dusting on the tree before I really go in there and get a lot on the branches. But I do want to just mention that you do want to make sure you do this on more of like a non-windy day, because obviously you don't want your flocking powder to go everywhere. We had a tiny breeze, but not very much at all.
There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you. Coming.
I will leave a link below to where I purchased my SnoFlock for y'all.
Side by side, see. This year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me.
Feeling alone, kinda misty.
Alright, now we're on to the third part, and we're going to get this up and sprayed with the water as well.
It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a
I was noticing that big bunches were falling down, and I was really liking that look. So if you like that heavier look as well, sometimes it's easier to just kind of like pour it on the tree and you get that effect rather than it just being a light dusting. We finished the tree and I just love the way that it turned out. Some of the parts of the tree had a little bit thicker of flocking, which was very beautiful to me. I wished we had bought 2 of the bags. They were 2 pounds each, and with this 8-foot tree, if I wanted a little bit heavier of a look, I would have gone with 2. I didn't know, but I do love the way that it turned out. So if you do want a heavier flocking, I would suggest buying 2. Also, you want to let your tree dry for about 24 hours before handling it or decorating it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and the way that our tree turned out. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out, and like this video if you are interested in doing your tree, and let me know in the comments below if you've flocked yours before.
and I fall into peace.